If you're a man over 60 and want to regain your strength, mobility, and energy, it's never too late to start. Aging may bring natural changes, but how you move your body can shape how you age. Science shows that the right exercises can help you build muscle, protect your joints, and even reverse signs of physical decline. And the best part, you don't need a gym, heavy weights, or long workouts. Just a few minutes each day can help you stay strong, flexible, and independent. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple exercises every man over 60 should be doing. These moves are gentle, joint-friendly, and perfect for improving your daily strength and stability. Whether you want to feel more confident getting up from a chair, carry groceries with ease, or simply move like you used to, these exercises are for you. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises you can do. They target your chest, arms, shoulders, and core all at once. For men over 60, this means training the exact muscles you use every day to push, lift, and stabilize your body. Start small. Wall or countertop push-ups are great beginner options. As your strength grows, progress toward floor push-ups. Each rep improves your upper body power and boosts heart health. Think of push-ups as your daily dose of youthful strength, no equipment, just your body and consistency. Lunges. Balance and leg strength are key to staying active and independent as you age, and lunges help with both. This exercise strengthens your glutes, thighs, and calves while enhancing your coordination and stability. Even a shallow lunge works wonders. Just a small forward step with support from a wall or chair can start rebuilding your lower body. Lunges mimic everyday movements like climbing stairs or bending down, helping you stay steady, strong, and confident in motion. Squats. Squats truly are the foundation of strength. Every time you sit or stand, you're performing a version of this move. Practicing squats keeps your legs strong, your hips mobile, and your balance sharp. Begin with chair squats. Sit down slowly and rise back up with control. Over time, your legs will feel stronger, your joints looser, and your movements more fluid. Squats are your ticket to moving freely for years to come. With these 3 simple exercises, push-ups, lunges, and squats, you can reclaim your vitality, rebuild lost strength, and stay independent long into your later years. No gym, no equipment, just your commitment to better movement and better living.